Hi, actually, I'm about to leave, and yes, while waiting for my friends, I'm gonna be showing you what's inside my bag since a lot of you are asking me that. Oh, wait, fuck. Bitch. Yung relo ng. I know. I'm gonna be putting this on. Bitch, what the fuck? Oh, come on. Yeah, I got it. And so, yeah. Okay, we can start. And yes, this bag of mine was given to me by my mom, and this one is what I usually use. This, okay, let's open it. I have my plastic with me because I don't know, I think that was 2 days ago when we went to Baguio, and yun, masukayan kasi ako sa sasakyan, so I usually bring plastic with me. It's nasty, yes, I understand. Another plastic. And I have this purse, and I super duper love this one because it's really cute. And yes, and medyo marami naman kang pwedeng mailagay. Puro barya kasi. Okay. Next would be my card and another plastic. Well, okay. Next would be resibo. Walang kwenta, diba? And gateway, passage, lounge, entry pass, and I have this very cute shades of mine from Prada. I always bring this one. And I have this baby powder. And what else? Usually I bring 3 perfumes whenever I'm away because ginagamit ko sila depende kung saan ako pupunta, like when I'm going to some event or some social gathering. I'm gonna use this one from Malu. I don't know, it has I don't know, bitch. But yeah, this one is very girly, I must say. I don't know how to bitch. It's so hard, come on. But yeah, this one is what I use whenever you feel like social ganon. Pero kahit hindi ka naman social, this one is good. And I don't know, this one is I got from Spain ata. Yeah, this one is good. This one is good. And this one is from S. Oliver. Ewan ko kung saan naman to galing, but this one also smells amazing. Oh, nabago na, amazing na. So yeah, ayun, this one is what I use whenever I'm going to work or I'm meeting friends. Yeah, it smells amazing as well. And this one from Ivana. I love this one. I love this one because it smells sweet. And ginagamit ko lang siya sa amoy ko after kong mag-CR. Alam niya na kapag ganon. And my hands usually tend to get dry whenever I'm away, whenever I'm not at home. So I use this Prada. I always have this in my bag. This one is from Prada. This is a candle lotion, and it smells sweet as well. And yeah, what else? I have this graduation picture. Have I already said this before? But yeah, I have this, and also I have this letter from Convergys. This one is a clearance because I'm not working there anymore. And wait, I think I'll. What else? So I have my phone with me. I have my headset. I have my headset with me because fuck life. Okay, so what time is it already? It's what the fuck? I don't care. And of course, I'll have my makeup kit. Yes, this one is I like. This this one is what I like. Tama ba? But yeah, I super duper love this one because it's really big. Can cater almost all of my makeup. Because, masyado akong maraming tinadala. Although, ilan lang ginagamit ko. So, to start this off, I'm gonna show you this one. This one is my BB cream. I don't usually put foundation. Only cream, moisturizing cream, and then this one. And then lip tint. Yun lang. So, paubos na siya because I always use this. And also, wait. These three eyeshadow palettes that I have from Revlon. I super duper love these three because it's very shimmering. And, kapag ginagaya ko yung mga makeup ng Victoria's Secret, ginagamit ko to kasi cute at kulay. And also this, parehas lang sila. I think meron pa akong isang ganito, but I don't have it here in my bag. So, but, sometimes I use this as my highlighter. Kasi parang, I don't know. I can also use this naman eh. Tingnan. Oh, diba? It's cute. Come on. Pak, ganun. And also, I do have my face mascaras. Yung brows ko kasi, hindi na ako gumagamit yung pang kilay talaga because I don't like it to be on fleek. Yung super on fleek na yung may shape. Wala, parang I don't feel it. Ayoko yung masyadong halata yung makeup, so I only use mascara on my eyebrows. And this one is from Revlon. And also, for my eyelashes, pumiyok ako. And yeah, for my eyelashes, I use my Estee Lauder. And what's good about this one is it doesn't smear. Kasi I have large eyes. So kapag nag-smear ba yung mascara ko, parang akong panda. So yeah, this one is my favorite, especially yung weather natin here in the Philippines. So that one is a favorite. And let's move on. Buti pa siya naka-move on. Charot. And what else? I think I have here this one. Oh, bitch! This one is, this too is a favorite of mine as well. This one is, I don't know where did I get from, but I super duper love this one. It's a lip gloss. Yeah. Kapag medyo tatamad ako mag-makeup, naglalagay lang ako ng tint and naglalagay ako nito. Yes, that's true. And also this one is from Estee Lauder. Kapag may night out ka, this one is good. Very, very seductive, I guess. What else? Let's move on to our lipsticks. I usually have 3 lipsticks. Yun isa. Where? Yeah. I have red lipsticks kasi medyo feeling ko it makes me parang seductive or bold. I don't know. But I do like this too. And hindi ko alam kung saan sila galing. I don't know where. But this one is from Revlon, I guess. From Revlon, tama. Rum Raisin. And it's also a favorite because it's pink kapag in-apply mo sa lips mo. And yeah, dahil paubos na siya, tinitipid ko. Okay, for our cheek tint, I have this. I think I bought this sa saan ba? Sa mall ata in Taytay. Yes, for 120 pesos. So, di ba mura? So, let's try this one. also, I do have this lip balm. because my lips nagdadry sila kapag malamig, ganyan. And last is my favorite. Hindi ako masyadong nagaganito pero when I do, super duper ito yung ginagamit ko kasi maganda talaga siya sa nako-cover niya talaga and parang hindi ka naka-makeup. Very light lang siya sa feeling. Di ko pa ata nasabi yung name but sabihin ko na lang. This one is from Estee Lauder. My double wear makeup foundation. And yeah, this one is good. As ano ko masabi, but yeah. I hope you like it and anong oras na? Ayun. Wala pa rin text yung mga friends ko So yeah, how do you end a vlog? Alright, thank you for watching and see you next time ulit. God, that's so awkward.